In a previous video, I made an electric bike. Definitely check out the video if you haven't. But today, I'll be adding in 2 new batteries and an on-off switch. So for the parallel connection between the 2 batteries, I bought a parallel connector off of Amazon. Overall, it was pretty simple, just plug and play. The main problem with my electric bike is that there's no on-off switch, so whenever I go to plug in the batteries to the motor controller, a spark will occur. To combat this issue, I'm going to use an RV selector switch and connect one of the poles to a 6 ohm resistor, and I'm hoping this is going to fix the issue. At this point, I wired and installed the on-off switch. So I created a wiring schematic explaining how the selector switch will act as the on-off switch. And now I tested it. So as you can see, you can clearly turn on and off the bike. I hope you enjoyed the video and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.